to give a context, AerCap is the biggest buyer of aviation assets in the world, bar none. Last year, we bought 150 aircraft, helicopters, and spare engines. That's more than any commercial entity, airline or other, has ever bought. So we know what will happen if we see, in an absolute worst-case scenario, say a 25% increase across the board on tariffs, tit for tat from both sides. A Boeing 787, the price will go up by $40 million.
Wow.
No one's going to pay that. That won't happen.
They won't be able to buy it and say, I'm going to pass it through to the end customer in some fashion?
Customer won't take it. What will happen is that the airlines who can't afford the airplane will call Airbus. So in a worst-case scenario, what would happen over time is that Boeing would end up with the United States, about 20 to 25% of the global market. Airbus would end up with the rest of the world, about 75 to 80% of the global market, because no one can afford to pay those numbers.
So it's a matter of waiting to see what the true impact will be in terms of tariffs. It's too early to know right now.
Correct. And so we would all hope, of course, that that doesn't come to pass. That's an absolute worst-case scenario. I'm sure that won't come to pass. But what Boeing really needs today, Phil, is cash.